Hey, welcome to Momentum Metrix Titan. So this is an indicator. It is a smart indicator that helps you understand almost uh all time frames, especially from 4 hour time frame down to 15-minute time frame. So thank you so much. I just want to give you a hint on how to use it and how to read this indicator. So as you can see, this is a momentum matrix Titan 5.4, volume 5.4. And right now, it is on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, if I change to 30-minute time frame, it also changes there on the dashboard. So this is an interesting indicator. First of all, I want you to see we have these uh, volatility bands. They help you to read the volatility of the market. Okay, so these are volatility bands. This is the lower one. This is the upper one. This one acts as a dynamic level of demand. This one as supply. And then we have these buy signals. These are signals telling you where to buy from. Okay, these are buy signals. And if you look closely, and the most interesting part right now is the indicator dashboard. Okay, it is the indicator dashboard, though it is a little bit clouded, but to make it easier for you, I have just done the zoom out a little bit. And what you're looking at, it is a very powerful tool that helps you to make an informed decision, because this will be acting as a signal provider to you, at the same time giving you when is the time to buy or sell or the right time to enter. So what you're looking at is an indicator. It has the price, okay, the volume, the momentum, and so on and so forth, because these are the most important, volume and the momentum. Okay, and also the metrics on the stochastic score here. So the first one is we have the first primary time frame, okay, which is 4 hour time frame. And the RSI for this one is 55.5, okay. And then we have the secondary time frame, which is 1 hour. We have the entry 15-minute time frame, which is 56.8 with an arrow pointing up. Okay, these arrows, they do change. So what happens is that for you to enter and use the signal provided by this indicator is that you're supposed to make sure that all the time frames are aligned together. So for example, primary 4 hour time frame is aligned, okay? It is showing us that the market is bullish. That arrow is pointing up. As you can see, even the color is in blue. If this color changes from blue to red, that means it is bearish. So after that, if you come here on the secondary time frame, okay, this arrow is pointing towards it is changing. But if it points, the 4 hour time frame is pointing down, it has changed. The secondary and the third one, which is 15-minute time frame, is also pointing. So what to do is that if these time frames, if I come on a 15-minute time frame here, if these time frames, they are pointing up, okay, it is a confirmation that this is a bullish momentum. But if two of these time frame, like 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame, are pointing up and they are in blue, but this one is pointing up but not in blue, that means it has not yet been confirmed. And if this arrow is pointing on your right hand side, it means the market is undecided. That is what it means. And if you look here, it is even in orange, which means not ready yet. So if you come here, alignment, where it says alignment, okay, B, bear, S for bull, okay, E for bull, it means alignment. So here we have three time frames. The first one, bear, okay, this one here. The second one, bull, this one here. This one, the second one, it is changing. And then also E, or the entry, meaning E, also bull, okay. So I'll repeat that one. P means primary, which is a 4-hour time frame. It is showing that it is bear or it is changing. That is what it means. So how are you supposed to know when to take the trade or when not? Okay, so they are supposed to be in alignment. And after that, the stochastic score also has to be at least 75. Okay, 75.7 or comma 73.4. Secondly, you're supposed to have the score be 3,3. Right now it is 0,3. Here on the secondary time frame, it is 3 plus, 3. Also on the entry is plus 3,3. Which means these two are in alignment except the primary time frame, which means you have to wait because it usually is going to make sure that if all the time frames are in the matrices are showing blue, it means it is ready to enter, you are ready to buy. If it is in red, all of them confirm you are ready to sell. So here the confirmation will shoot, all right? If it is even ready, that much ready to enter, it will indicate here premium, meaning you don't have to waste time. And then if the trend is changing, it is going to indicate here on this phase saying transitioning. Right now it is ranging. All these time frames, they are ranging, okay. And then let me try to use and then here let me show you something. You can even see that here where it says high score, the decision, it is saying buy. How high is this? It is a high. You can buy, all right, you can buy. But the moment the signal is too strong, it will say strong buy or premium, okay. And then this is a smart indicator. It also shows you how high or low the risk you can take. So here it says the volume risk is 0.1%, okay. The momentum is 100.1. Okay, so the risk is very low. You can take that trade and for sure you can make something. So let's try to change we add Euro USD and see what happens. So that is Euro USD. Look at that. So for Euro USD, primary time frame is showing us 43. Okay, pointing down. All of these are pointing down. But the only thing is, you can see here it says it is transitioning. Instead of ranging, it is transitioning, meaning it is about to change the trend. And the stochastic score is negative 1,3. It is not yet 3,3 like the rest, okay? Like the rest of them, because it keeps changing and giving you live price updates. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Once everything is met, okay, once everything is met, it will make sure that um it will make sure that sorry about that. It will make sure that it will align, no need to change. If you see the figures are changing again, and again, just know that they are not yet. But the moment everything is stable, they will stop changing. They will all become 3,3, 3,3, and all of them will be in deep red, okay, not the one that looks faint. So as you can see, it says premium sale, premium, okay, meaning this is a very powerful sale where you will be able to sell. Let's try and see how this looks like. Yeah, okay, this one is selling. This one is selling, as you can see, and that is how you use this indicator. It gives you an idea of what is happening and also the signal for the trades that you're supposed to take, because this is an indicator. Okay, this is an indicator. It helps you to do that. So that is how we use it. So to do some settings, let's do this. You can try and change things. You leave buy arrow to true, show momentum, and everything. All these arrows, they are supposed to be there. Okay, you leave them primary trend time frame. You can leave 4-hour, entry 15-minute, secondary confirmation time frame is 1 hour. You leave that. Over RSI period, you can change that based on your own preference. And then overbought level, you can even put 100, it's fine, or 70, it's fine. And then oversold, you can put 10, it's also fine, or 0, it's also fine. Okay, you can leave this one for now, bullish threshold, it's fine. So I designed this indicator specifically to help you. Volatility settings, you can leave these also. Okay, this has a specific user manual to help you understand how to use and operate this thing. So momentum settings, you can leave this just like that. So the rest, use exponential moving average, trend filter, make sure you set to true. 200, you can change the specific parameters according to your desired use of this. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can change, play around, and all those stuff. So show dashboard, the rest make sure they are true. Okay, you can update. This doesn't matter. So that is how you use this indicator. I'm going to attach those of you, when you get this indicator, you also have to reach out and get your manual on how to use it. So it is simple as that. You can use it on currencies, on gold, and even on NASDAQ, right? So you can use it on different ways. So you look at this. This is selling. It is deep selling confirmation, that is 71. So you can use it in different ways or on different assets. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. You have any questions, you can let me know. It is a simple tool to use. Bye bye.